for business to adapt, yeah, it depends from which business they are, how ready they are, how much they prepare. Yeah. So if we just focus on the SEO, if you're not ready, if you did nothing, we cannot find you, then you will have to take a shortcut and use pay-per-click. So this will be search engine advertising, yes, search engine marketing, SEM instead of SEO. SEO has a reaction time, needs 2-3 months. So the fastest thing that you can do, which is SEO is to go on Google My Business and the whole local SEO information, is because this is where we see on Google if your shop is open, your opening hours, your offers, your address, and that's something which is nearly instant, the chance that you do this. And so when people go to see, is your shop open, I mean your business open, then they may check there. So that, and there you can update your information. And for example, if you have already Google My Business, which most of the business have or should have, then there you can immediately adjust. That's very important to adjust, because you had your opening hours and now you have changes to that. Yeah, so that's the place where you will write, we are open, but this and this is now closed due to COVID-19. Yes, for example, if you are a restaurant, then of course the restaurant will be closed, or that's where you can show those difference. And that goes into SEO, yeah, that's in the local SEO where those information are. That's what you can do immediately. That's instant reaction. You have there a place to put special offers, so that's where you can mention what is different. Yeah, we don't do this like this now, but you can have it like that. Or you make a 30% discount, yeah, to make the people move and react and see. First of all, they see you are there, and second, there's a special offer, so it gives the kick to move. But the most important is to give this message that you are there, you're still operating, because many businesses, they just close, especially now we are in the beginning, yeah, we are in the first months of the COVID-19 crisis. That will change with the time, yes, because many businesses now they just close and wait that it pass. But if the crisis goes over, now the last information that I'm hearing, they speak about that in the summer we will be able to start flying around. These are just predictions, we don't know, nobody is really sure, but some people will be able to fly around, but certain country not, and not everybody. So we are speaking about several months, and so then business will have to open again